Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 13, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 9 PM draw result ngayong October 13, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Sunday, October 13, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 13, 2024 Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, October 13, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of October 13, 2024 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.